him too! Hey guys, we are at Busch Gardens Tampa for their Howl-O-Scream media event, and I cannot wait for all the stuff later. We're gonna do a Scream cam. Thank you for Busch Gardens for inviting us out here tonight. But yeah, we're gonna have some scary fun. Let's go have some fun. This is fun. I have some of the cupcakes. That is great. The eyeballs and the blood. They have shots in a IV. That's fun. So this is the menu. Different drinks. That's a lot of fun. I'm getting one right now. Yay! Thank you. And this is the vampire bite? Okay. This one I'm drinking right there. These are the things I got. I got a blood bag. I got a syringe with the jello shot in it. The vampire bite, and some cupcakes, which look delicious too. But yeah, oh, yeah, that's gonna be fun. So we're gonna try the vampire bite. She said this was the favorite of everybody, her favorite, everybody else's favorite. So that's good. That's good. You tried it, yeah? Is it good?
It's very good.
It's not too alcohol-y. It's like fruity, very fruity. So let's do a shot. The big thing is I'm not a big drinker, so this is gonna be fun. That's really good. It was like cherry or strawberry. Really, really, really good. Yay. And the souvenir. Yay. Okay, now this is the adult adult Capri Sun is what I'm going to call this, because you take this off and then you just drink it. You want to try it? I'm going to let her try it first.
Definitely adult Capri Sun.
Now I need to try it. That's good. It's really good. It does taste like an adult Capri Sun. Like what a Capri Sun tastes like, but in adult form, in a blood bag. Yummy. These are some foods. Philly cheesesteak roll, egg rolls. That sounds delicious. Buffalo chicken egg rolls. Some sacrificial roasted corn. That looks good too. I'm gonna try all this stuff. We got the slaughtered pork leg. That sounds good. And the Raven roadkill slider. Yummy. I'm gonna try all this stuff. This is all the food that I have gotten. So much food. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat it all. There's pork shank. Yummy. Corn. I love egg rolls, so these are gonna be good. Well, what did you just eat? Which one was it? This one? This one. The beef egg? No, that's the Philly cheese egg roll. Philly cheese egg roll. Is it good? Let's try this egg roll. That's messy. It's really good. Yummy. Well, my wife just saved me because she said she likes it because it has blue cheese in it. No. You can have that one if you want it. Yeah, so, but it was good?
It was very good. Cheese inside and cheese on the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna try it. Even though I don't like blue cheese, I'm gonna try it. I can't judge a book by its blue cheesy cover. Is there blue cheese in it?
Cheese inside and cheese.
But is it blue cheese inside? I don't think there's blue cheese inside.
No,
Maybe.
another kind of cheese.
Yeah. The inside's good. Really good. I knocked off the blue cheese, so couldn't really taste it all that much. It was really good. Yeah. If you like blue cheese, you'll like that. Okay, first off, this guy is awesome. That's awesome. Right near the food. I hope he didn't make my food. This is a devil dog. All beef hot dog, chili, pepper relish, and fried jalapenos. It's so cute, but it looks delicious all at the same time. So first I'm gonna try this corn, whatever it was. Something with corn. That is really good. That is like super good. I'm gonna go find out what's on it, but that's really, really, really good. Really good. So I will say that the corn does have a kick to it. So if you don't like spicy stuff, don't get that. But it was delicious. It's not like it hits afterwards. Like you eat it, and you swallow it, and then you feel the heat. So, but yeah, really good, really good. Right now I need to try the devil dog. Oh geez. Okay. Oh, it's a chili dog with like jalapeno relish and stuff like that on it. Who's eating it too? That's good. I love chili dogs. It's like, I don't know if I'm still feeling the kick from the other thing or not.
It does have a little bit of a kick.
Okay, it does have a little bit of a kick. But
the chili has a little bit of
I think there's jalapeno stuff in it too. Relish, jalapeno relish. That's really, really good. Yeah. I'm still feeling the kick from the from the corn. So let's try.
Still burning my lips.
Yep. This smells really good. Uh-oh. I'm messy. That's really, really good too. Yummy. The chicken is nice and tender. There's a sauce on it too. Hopefully that's not spicy. It's gonna kick my mouth into high gear again. That's really, really good. Okay, it wasn't just me. She said it had a kick too.
After kick.
Yeah, everything has an after kick. Like it's really good going down, and then you're like, ooh, that's a little bit spicy. But now, I saved the messiest. Oh, if I can't even pick it up. For last, the braised pork shank. That is delicious. Whatever sauce is on there that made my hand turn red is really, really good. That's really good. I think that might be my favorite. That pork, yeah, really, really good. This is some of the merchandise they have. Howl-O-Scream shirt. It's a really cool bag. Lounge fly. That's really cool. Another Howl-O-Scream baseball looking shirt. I like that shirt. The jacket. And a shirt underneath it. I like these glowing things. So I think these are the no scream. For the no, they have a. I think they have like a thing where they wear that they don't scare you. Yeah, that's really cool. Anything on the back of this? Let's see. Ooh, there's something on the back of that too. And then a 31 on that. I should have looked in the back of these things. It's a spirit jersey. It's really cool. A lot of skulls. A lot of skulls. That thing was a lot of fun. I'll put the video in right here. It's a 360 video that goes around you, and they have an inflatable thing that they said they can do. All sorts of different things that, and I had to do that. That's what it looked like when I was doing it. So we got that popcorn. It's really cool. This is the house that we're going to be going to, the B.H. Bagham's Circus of Fear. Oh, yay. Oh. Have I ever said I don't really like scary stuff all that much? I'm doing it for you guys. Doing it for you. It's almost time for our scream cam thing, and might be freaking out just a little bit. Yeah, I've never done this before, so yay. So we get to go through the junkyard.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Am I on your camera?
Sure.
All right. Come to Howl-O-Scream. You're in the right place.
It's really cool. Yeah, pretty sure that's Slender Man. He's giant. I'm tall, but that's a little bit taller. That's a nice face. There's a sheep in there. It's almost like a tiki mask. Nice. It's almost our turn to do that. Hey. Ugh. Yeah. Let's do it.
Welcome to the show. Too scary.
Oh, good Lord. I'm not gonna go that way. Good Lord! How many up there are you?
Welcome!
Hello.
Showtime, Sean! Hope you enjoy the show of your life.
Join us, Sean!
I don't like this.
Hey there!
Oh, good Lord! Jeez.
Hurry, hurry, hurry!
Look the wrong way.
That's facial!
Yay! No, thank you.
Hey, I like you!
Yeah, he likes
Give me
you.
a quarter, I'll make it 4 for $1.
Hi.
Who's
Yeah, good
good
Lord.
Fred?
Don't eat the ice cream. I won't.
I have a new flavor just for you.
I'm good.
Try it!
I'm good.
Creepy clown! Do you want 2 scoops, 3 scoops?
No, thank you.
They're coming for you,
Shit, good Lord, not you again. Yeah, that was, they knew my name. They were calling my name. I don't like that. That was a lot of fun though. That was a good house. She was laughing the whole frickin' time at me because she was behind me, so she wasn't getting scared as much as me because I was in front with lights in my face. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. Thank you, Busch Gardens, for having us out. I will see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.